Hi kids, welcome back. Colors. Let's learn colors name. This is orange color. This is violet color. And this is blue color. Brown color. Black color. Red color. Pink color. Yellow color. Sky blue color. Light green color. Purple color. And this is green color. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C. Let's trace. Kids, we are tracing letter A. This is letter B. B. This is letter C. C. Kids, we are tracing letter D. This is letter D. And this is letter E. E. Kids, we are tracing letter F. F. And kids, this is letter G. G. Kids, we are tracing letter H. This is letter H. I. This is letter I. Kids, this is letter J. Letter K. Kids, we are writing letter L. Kids, we are tracing letter M. This is letter M. Kids, this is letter N. N. Kids, this is letter O. P. And this is letter Q. This is letter R. Letter S. Kids, we are tracing letter T. This is letter U. Now kids, we are tracing letter V. This is letter W. Letter X. This is letter Y. Kids, this is letter Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.